Top of the bass.
Let me open the
Top
water.
of the bass.
You got it?
Got it, the bass.
Is that your wait? Is that your rainbow impression?
Top of the bass.
Is that your rainbow impression?
Top of the bass.
Haha. Oh, you don't want to be on camera today?
No, pido que no like que toma tu cámara.
A él le gusta que lo graben, gracias.
¿Por qué ahora?
Dale, graba.
Pero el otro día, está bien.
Está bien, sí, el otro día, pues ya hoy no.
¿Por qué? Welcome to another Harris video. Today we are doing a sewer replacement on 5th and Carroll in Park Slope, Brooklyn. We are replacing the pipe from the foundation wall to 10 feet into the street. But now for today, we're going to install 18 feet of pipe from the front wall to 2 feet past the curb. The problem here is roots. As you can see, we have these 2 trees, and the sewer, you know the roots, the sewer attract the roots from the trees. The moisture in the sewer plus the feces, that's good food for the tree. So it attracts the root. So the root get inside the oak clear pipe and clog it up.
Everybody does that. Whenever I'm shooting you guys will turn away from me while I'm
working in the cold. Well, you know, I'm from the Caribbean, beautiful island of Nevis. So I'm not accustomed to the cold, but I have to go in and bear it. As you can see, I'm well padded, so I don't really like the cold, so I don't really have a favorite thing. We replaced the clay pipe, 6-inch clay pipe, with extra heavy cast iron pipe, as you can see, from the foundation wall to 2 feet past the curb. Now tomorrow we're going to excavate the street. First we jackhammer. We're going to jackhammer the asphalt and the concrete. Then we're going to do the digging with the machine. Get down to the old pipe and replace that section.
Mark, your boots are going through it, man.
Eh?
I said your boots are going through it.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's good, you know. Good boat, man. Good boat. No water, no going inside.
Once again, thanks for watching another Harris video. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Alright? See you on the next one. Have a blessed day.